ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
शीतला शस्य श्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शोभयोत्सव हम भी वही है जो आप है, भारत माँ की संतान। भारत सिर्फ भारत नहीं, महाभारत। महाभारत केवल महाकाव्य नहीं, यह है आत्म परीक्षा, जहाँ गुरु शिष्य, माता पिता, भाई बहन, शत्रु मित्र इन सभी भावनाओं को समन्वय दिखाता है। अंत में महाभारत हमें यही बताना चाहता है कि हमारे अंदर 100 दोष हो सकते हैं, लेकिन 5 गुणों से हम उन पर विजय पा सकते हैं। पढ़ो हमारा इतिहास जो हमारे मस्तक पर छपा है। सन 1600 के दौर में हिंसा और अत्याचार के सामने जब घायल हो रही थी ये धरती, तब इस मिट्टी की गर्ज से आवाज आई, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज। उन्मत्त बनकर दौड़ रही है। भारत में तो पग पग पर नारियों की शौर्य गाथा गूंज रही है। तो मैं भारत के सभी अद्भुत नारियों को नमन करने के लिए झांसी की वीर रानी लक्ष्मीबाई का नाम लूंगी।
भाग भाग रे भाग फिरंगी झांसी की रानी आई है। भाग तिलक और हाथ खड़क दुर्गा है काली माई है। अश्वत्थामा प्रचंड दिखाइए मनोहर लक्ष्मी बाई है। शोले बरसेंगे अब तुझ पर तेरी शामत आई है।
भारत एक अखंड जन्मभूमि है और हमें सच में भारत का अभिमान है, क्योंकि हमने उस भारत भूमि में जन्म लिया है जहाँ वीर पुत्र हर कण कण में उजागर है। मैं कितनी भी कोशिश कर लूं, ये हिस्सा रह जाएगा आधा। किस किसका नाम मैं लूं, सांसें कम है, लोग है ज्यादा। हम परिचय इसलिए दे रहे हैं क्योंकि प्रणाम करके परिचय देना हम भारतवासियों की परंपरा है।
उठते ज्वालामुखी भावी क्रांति से लेते।
There was a time when India was one of the most flourishing countries of the world और हमें सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था।
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
India was and still is one of those special countries of the world where all religions live together in peace and harmony.
स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे, भक्त जनों के संग दास जनों के संग तुझमें दूर ओम जय जगदीश
This is how we were, with diverse religions but united at heart, until India was so rich that people from around the world wanted to do business with us. including the Britishers, who came for business but stayed for a bit too long, for almost 200 years. ये दोस्ती और व्यापार कब गुलामी में बदल गए, ये समझने में हमें लगभग 100 साल लग गए, और फिर अगले 100 साल तक चली आजादी की लड़ाई। This was one side of the revolt, which was young and aggressive, Hindustan ka Khalta Coup, with strong leaders like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more. And on the other side, there was a man who was later called the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who started alone and was joined by masses on his non-violent fight to gain freedom.
बाकी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, साजिद कांपे घर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम हो उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान
It took many years and many lives before we reached the historic day of 15th August 1947, when Britishers finally agreed to leave the nation, but on a price of dividing it into two.
fought till the end, till the battle was done. I gave my life, but keep my vow. दुश्मन की गोलियों का सामना करेंगे, आजादी रहेंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत। Good morning everyone. I am Mahatma Gandhi. I am great freedom fighter of India. I was born on 2nd October 1869, Porbandar in Gujarat. My full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and my father's name is Karamchand Gandhi and my mother's name is Putli Bai. I also known as Father of Nation. With love, people call me Bapu. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I am Subhash Chandra Bose, also known as Netaji. I am best known for my militant approach to achieving independence. I am from the Indian National Army, also known as Azad Hind Fauj. To fight against Britishers' rule, give me blood and I will give freedom. This powerful slogan featured by me inspired many Indians to join freedom movement. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good morning everyone. I am Lakshmi Sehgal. I was born in 1914 and drawn to national movement at a very young age. I completed my medical degrees and practiced medicine. I moved to Singapore and involved in Indian community. As Subhash Chandra Bose arrived to Singapore, I was inspired by his leadership and decided to join Indian National Army. As I returned to India, I decided that I will help Indian National Army refugees and their families. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Known as Lokmanya Tilak, I was born on July 23rd, 1856, Maharashtra, India. I also worked as social reformer, lawyer, and a journalist. I participated in India's independence movement and famously declared that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. प्रेम सम्मान उस देश के आदर्शों पर निहित होता है. Good morning everyone. I am Sarojini Naidu. I was a renowned poet, freedom fighter and a political activist. I was born in a Bengali family in Hyderabad on 13 February 1879. I followed Mahatma Gandhi passionately. Mahatma Gandhi also called me the Nightingale of India because of my vividness, poetry and inspiring imaginary. I was the first Indian woman president of India in Congress. इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आदमी देश की शान है तो औरत उस देश की नींव है, क्योंकि देश के सम्मान को औरत ही आगे बढ़ाती है. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Good morning everyone. My name is Raj and today I will talk about Veer Savarkar. I was a brave freedom fighter of India. My full name was Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. I was born on 28 May 1883 in Maharashtra. I love my country very much. I fought against British rule to make India free. I believe in bravery, unity and strength. People call me Veer, which means brave. People will always remember me for my love for India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good morning everyone. I am Durgavi Deshmukh. I am known for my activism, leadership and advocacy for women's rights and education. I took participation in Salt Satyagraha. I was put in jail twice in 1930 and 1932. In my freedom struggle, I found Andhra Mahila Sabha and also proposed Hindustan as Hindi national language of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good morning one and all. I am Jawaharlal Nehru. I was born on November 14, 1889. I played an important role in India's freedom struggle. actively participating in the Indian National Congress and advocating for complete independence. For that, I was imprisoned multiple times for my involvement in movements like Salt Satyagraha. I became India's first Prime Minister leading the nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good morning everyone. I am Indira Gandhi, the first and the only woman Prime Minister of India. I was born on 19 November 1917 in Allahabad in the family of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. From childhood, I learned about freedom and patriotism because my family took part in India's struggle for independence. After my father passed away, I entered into politics to serve my country. In 1966, I became the Prime Minister of India. People called me Iron Lady of India because I was bold and take strong decisions. I also started White Revolution that increased milk supply in our country. I am proud to be Indira Gandhi, a woman who showed leadership has no gender. My dream was to see India strong, self-reliant and respected in the world.